What's going on, everybody? Remember I told y'all we was going to do some landscaping work, so I am going to get some gravel, and I'm at this place called the Stone Store in Maryland. If you're in Maryland, you should check it out. I'm ready to give y'all a little tour so y'all can see what's going on, and then I will order some store and then I will order some stone, and that will be it for my day. So let's go ahead and get it in. All right, you guys, so we made it back home, and we have a quarter ton of this gray white stone, and we are going to start doing some work. I guess it's best for me to put it in the barrel, you guys. This is not bad, you guys. I'll give it a nice rinse once I'm done. Quarter ton for 20 bucks. It's easier to use a tarp, you guys, because when this stuff get into your truck, it gets tiring trying to get that stuff out the grooves. You use a broom and all of that. Just get a tarp. Let me get a little closer so I don't spill none. Because at the end of the day, this is still $20, you guys. I'm not trying to waste money here. Oh, look at me. Look at me, you guys. And if anybody asks, I am going to put that pebble lock on this. My wife wants that. Maybe that will block out more. Make sure we cover all of this tarp. I'm going to stay right on this line, and I can pick these up later. Same thing. Push your plastic down. Bring gravel right on top. I'll leave it high there because of that stupid drainage. Got paper here. Push it down. Cover it with the gravel. This stuff moves so easy, you guys. I'm happy with the results. It's looking good. Oh, that's better. You got to be innovative, you guys. You got to be innovative. I didn't lock it in. Story of my life. Now I got a bunch of gravel I got to get off the ground. I should have stayed doing what I was doing. I got up what I could get up with those rocks that fell on the ground. Oh, I hate that. All right, so I'm going to try the dumping method again. Let's see. If I fail this time, then I'll quit. I will just shovel all of it in. might do a full ton for the weekend. And I did it again. Oh, thank God it landed on the tarp. Oh my goodness, I forgot to lock it. I'm almost out of stones, you guys. A quarter ton got me a long way. You go to Home Depot, you're finished. Remember over here we did the foam for the post. This year I'm just using regular cement. I don't think I need to review cement. So I had this old cement here that I had sitting out for a very long time, and it's probably hard. So I'm gonna try to hit it as much as I can with a hammer, loosen it up, and just dump it here. I have a half a bag of cement that I'm gonna pour in here, and I'll pour a bucket of water and smash it. I went to the store, got me some concrete mix, and I'm about to finish filling up this hole right here. I was just going to pour it in and pour water on it. I'm going to mix it up. All right. So I'm just messing around, you guys. Yeah, that's really wet. Whoop, whoop. All right, everyone. So 24 hours later, so we should be good. This post is stuck, you guys. It's all the way in. It's not coming back out. All right, you guys. So I discovered the fastest way to cut this tarp is to use some fabric scissors. Now, these are my wife fabric scissors, so don't let her know that, okay? If I would have did this by going to Home Depot or Lowe's, you would have been paying quadruple the price, you guys. Quadruple. You know, a bag of pebbles is like a lot of money at Home Depot and Lowe's. So buy bulk. But that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.